Well, good afternoon, guys. It's Nature again, but I am here to talk about a hair color today. Okay, as you can see, I just washed my hair. I just colored it. What color is it? I have no idea. Okay, a few weeks ago, it was this color. And so I wanted it brighter. And so I bought this hair color. Does it look the same? Not really. This is the closest I can get to it. Thank goodness I had my tips already blondish color. That's what helped the color take a little better. But this is the color I wanted. It's like a reddish orange. And what I got was some type of copper. So look, not really the same. Okay, and on the back of the box, these are the colors it tells you. If you have this dark color, which is black, it should turn this color. If it is dark to medium brown, it should turn this color. And that is the color of my hair. Well, was. And my hair still doesn't look this color. Now, does it? I don't know. Some people may beg to differ, but I don't think this is the color that I was looking for. Okay? But anyway, I don't know. I'm going to read on and see how long it takes to be able to do a second color. I'm not sure if you're supposed to color on top of color to make it brighter or just get a brighter color to go over this. I'm not sure, but I'll have to figure it out. But anyway, this is what I was trying to do, and this is what I actually did. So I don't know if you guys like it, but I'm going to style it, put some oil in it, and I don't know, probably twist it up and see what I can do with this hair. Okay, guys? I'll do a twist out tomorrow and style it, maybe a bang and a bun or whatever. But I'll show you guys how that turned out tomorrow. Okay? So, you guys take care, and I'll see you in the morning. Okay, guys, this is the twist pattern. I put 2 corn braids here, looking like it's turning a little more orange there in the roots. I guess during the week, I'll see how the change of color sets. But right now, this is the color that we're getting from the box. Let's see. The roots look a little close to it. Not even, a tiny bit. It looks like that one for the people that had black hair. Anyway, this is the twist pattern, and we will do, I got 4 in the back on each side, and then I have 2 corn braids across the top, 1 single braid on the side, and 1 single braid. Did I do a corn braid? Oh, I did a corn braid. I meant to do a single braid. All right, whatever. And that's the one that I have on the side here. Okay, guys, so tomorrow we will think of a style so that I can get my butt to work. Vacation over. See you in the morning.